I think that data management has become more important and recognised over the last, let's say, 10 years from key drivers around technology, the enablement that technology gives you, regulation. Some people see it as a negative impact on the organisation. I see it as a hugely important one, where we can use it to get funding and to build a service. And just more recently, it's become very important because of the value-added capabilities that can come from a data management function. It's now not just that operational service that it has been, prior to the last couple of years. When it comes to technology, there's no one answer. Everyone is starting from a different place, a different level of maturity, and a different people resource pool. And technology is the enabler, so we need to remember that, and some people will not be able to fund the decommissioning and the creation of new technologies. So for me, it's looking out there into the marketplace, understanding where you are, and just layering some new technologies around your organisation. Now, that technology has to be reusable, and we've seen that recently with some of the data science capabilities. The same technology that a data operations and a data science team is exactly the same technology that the quant team are using on the investment floors. And I think when you start to get commonality in the use of the technology, you also get better collaboration through the people in the technology, and subsequently you start to create value quicker, you prototype quicker, and you also fail fast. And I think that's a really good lesson to sort of feed back into our people, that's not a bad thing. Let's learn quickly, let's fail fast, turn back around, and then project forward as well. I think data has a sort of a time continuum which goes from A to Z at the end of the day. Will we be able to have one pattern that takes us all the way through that journey? Probably not. So what we've tended to do is to recognise that maybe A through M is the more centralised and commoditised part of that journey. And we centralise that, we put it in the office of the CDO, and then we look at the edge cases, we look at the spoke type solutions. So subsequently with that core solution there, I can go to distribution and go and say, what would you like? Is it client reporting? Is it data analytics? I can go to the investments team and I can say, what do we need here? Do you need more quantitative capability? Do you need more cloud processing power? And those are all the edge cases that extend it and push it out to Z. And by the way, we're nowhere near Z at this point in time, but that's definitely the aim for what we're trying to do. That central function, it continues to grow. My data management team used to be operational. They're now generating information, they're creating value, and they're slowly progressing out to P, S, so forth and so forth. And ideally, how can we be successful is when the investments and the distributions team say the data management office is the core to their value proposition.